Hey there, today in this video I'm going to present you something different, and that is Butterbelly Business WordPress theme. So if you are running a business and you are looking for one such theme to create a business website to promote your services and products in the online market, then Butterbelly is gonna be a solution for you. You know how important role does a website plays in promoting your services in the online market. So go ahead, create a business website with it. So let's take a quick check at its preview and the different segments that we have got, which makes it desirable for creating business website. Let's get started. You can see, talking about its preview at the top, this is the navigation menu that we have got, which is completely responsive and works absolutely fine on any device you use it. Also, you have got this tap to call feature, so you can put up your contact number over there. Then moving down, you will find this is the place where it's written Butterbelly right now. You can put up your business logo over here, and also you have got this full width slider over here wherein you can put up your business images. You can upload up to 6 slider images. Also, you have got the slider description, so you can put up a slider heading over here, also a short description, and you can even provide a link to the slider description so that any person who clicks on it will be navigated to a different page wherein he can find some more description about your business and its services. Then moving down, you will find this is the 3-column feature area. It looks completely different, you see. So you can put up anything over here, like you can showcase your products over here if you want to highlight them. Also, you can show up your client testimonials, or else if you have got a team behind your work, then you can show up them also as well. So this is the feature heading, this is the description, and over here you have got the option to upload the images. That looks cool. Then moving down, you will find this is the place wherein you can provide some information about your business and its services. You can see how elegantly it is appearing here. You can see, very neat. The design is systematic. So you can write something about your business services in short and present it over here. You can write some headings like this and provide a short description with it. Then over here at the right side, you will find something really cool over here, and that is the form get contact form. So you need not worry about creating a contact form for your website. You have already got it inbuilt with your theme. So that is the form get contact form that we have got. Then you have got this blog section, so you can show up your latest blogs over here. You can put up the images. You can see when you're hovering over it, it's panning and zooming, so that is one more good feature we have got. And right now it is written off over here. That is the place exactly where you will find the recent comments, the number of recent comments that have come on your blog post. This is the blog title, the date on which it was posted, and the author name along with the excerpt over here, and you can click on continue reading to continue reading the blog post. Then moving down, you will find this is the widgetized footer we have got, so you can put up your social icons over here: Twitter, Facebook, RSS feed, Google Plus, Pinterest, and also you have got this option to put up your contact number as well. This is the for widget area, so you can put up any information like about us. You can show up your pages, your posts, even you can show up the gallery images or put a search section like this. Then more moving down, you will find this is the footer section, so you can put up any copyright text over here. And in the right side, you will find this is the navigation menu. So you have got the navigation menu at 2 different places, one at the top and one at the bottom. Moving up, let's go to blog section and see how exactly it is appearing up. Okay, so this is the blog section, and you can see as soon as you are navigating to a page, this is coming up like this, home, and you have navigated to blog now. So it is showing you the path, and these are the blog posts that we have got. Okay, let's click on any of this blog post, and this is how it appears. Looks good. The comments are closed now. This is the widgetized sidebar, so you can put up anything like categories or gallery, or even you can embed a video over there, and you can customize it as per your wish. You have got the widgets with you, just put any of the widgets you want in this widgetized sidebar. Then moving up, we'll go to gallery and take a look at it. Okay, it looks amazing. It's awesome. Just click on any of these images, and if you want to expand the image, you can click here and you can navigate to the images from here. You can see, and you have also got the option to tweet this pic and also to like this. You can also navigate from here as well. You can see the next written over here, and here it is previous. So that is the gallery images. Looks fantastic. Then we have got this contact us page, and here you go. This is the contact us page. So this is the Butterbelly Business WordPress theme, and you can see it have got all those features that you would need to highlight your business and its services and products. So basically you will be able to promote your services in a very elegant way in the online market. And one more feature that we have got over here is the styling option. You have got 8 different colors to style your website. So if you're not happy with this color, you can go ahead with these different colors. Let me show you. You can see I've got this another color, I guess it's gray, orange, red. Okay, that's good. So these are the different color options that you have got to style your website, so you can go ahead with any of the colors which you need, which you like. So go ahead, create a business website and prove your existence in the online market. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy creating websites with themes. Thank you.